Hello, we're back. I'm gonna do arts and crafts, kind of. I have a project idea that I wanna do, so I thought I'd film it because I think it'd be fun and that's a good video idea. My computer's been at Apple for the past 2 weeks, basically. So I've been really bored. All my work is digital, so I can't really do anything about it. But, oh shoot, I dented my fridge. I'm going to do this project with my sewing machine, and it's probably gonna take me like 2 days to do it all, but I'm taking these white tanks and I'm going to tie-dye them, and then I'm going to cut them in half and put 2 colors together. There's 5 shirts in here, but I think I'm just gonna do 4. I guess if I do 5, I don't know, maybe I'll just start with 4 and see. And I have all my tie-dye stuff in here. First things first, I'm going to soak the shirts in some soda ash. I don't know how everyone does their tie-dye, but I do soda ash and then I do the actual tie-dye. So I'm gonna figure out what colors I wanna do, and then actually I'm gonna soak the soda ash first, the shirts in the soda ash. So hopefully this turns out cool. If not, you probably won't see this video. The shirts are gonna sit in this soda ash mixture for like 30 minutes. Sick tan line, ring tan line. They're gonna sit in this for like 30 minutes just to make sure that the color really saturates in them. So for the shirts, I'm gonna do one deep blue and black, and then one black. I did my bed sheets earlier this year. Feels like forever ago. In January, I did my pillowcases black and my comforter blue, and I really like that color combo, so I'm gonna do one shirt split in half of those 2 colors. I'm trying to think. And then I'm gonna do one orange, but I'm gonna add some yellow to it so it's not as bright of an orange, and then some red. But I'm trying to think. I feel like the orangey can look cool with the blue. Okay, let's figure this out. So one shirt can be black and blue, another shirt can be red and orange, and then one shirt can be red and black, and then one shirt can be orange and blue. All right, I think that will be okay. So gonna go mix them. So the shirts are out of the soak. I'm not gonna do anything super crazy with this design because I don't want to. Then I'm just gonna twist like that. I don't know, actually. Or do I twirl? I think twirling could be a good idea. Yeah, I'm just gonna twirl them like this and then secure them really tight with a bunch of rubber bands. I just completely forgot what this is called. You wanna make it super, super tight so no like ink seeps through in the wrong area, I guess that's what I'm trying to say, until they look like this. One thing where wear gloves when you do this, or else you'll look like this. So I have these little Ziploc bags that I think are gonna be big enough for these. I think the orange got a little bit of the black on it, but it's fine. So we're just gonna keep these in the bag for, I don't know. I usually do it overnight, so I probably won't. I'll probably wash them out tomorrow morning around like, it's like 4 p.m. right now, so I probably won't wash them till, oh wow, crap, it's raining. Till maybe like 11 tomorrow or something, I don't know. Hello, good morning. I just came back from working out. I'm very jittery because I asked for an iced black tea and she gave me an iced coffee because she couldn't see my mouth because of the mask, and then I realized it but didn't want to say anything because I'm just not a confrontational person, and so I've been trying to drink it and I'm just not doing good. Anyways, it is the next day and my tie-dye should be ready to be washed out, so we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna throw them in the wash after, and then I think I'm gonna sew them probably Monday. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. It's Friday. I don't think I'm gonna do them. I can't do them today, and then this weekend's pretty jam-packed. Not really, but I just don't wanna. Maybe I'll sew them Sunday. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, what am I doing Sunday? I don't think I'm doing anything Sunday, so I could do them Sunday. Okay, let's do it. Hello, it's a new day. Okay, shaky camera. It's a new day. The tie-dye has been complete. I don't know if I showed the final. This is the red. I washed them, dried them, air dried. Black, super cool. The orange, also cool, and the blue. And so I think I'm gonna do one shirt that's half black, half blue, and one that's half orange, half red, and then I might do red and black and orange and blue, but I don't know. I'm gonna start with the black and I'm gonna start with these. So my plan, I saw a photo on Instagram of like a two-tone shirt, so that's where I have this idea from. I don't want to pretend that I came up with it, but I really don't know how they did it. I don't know anything about the process, but this is kind of just what I've decided that would work. I'm just gonna sit, like, measure out the half and then cut it down the middle. Also, I look so oily. Cut it down the middle and then sew the two parts together. We're using the zigzag stitch because I think that looks really cool, and I just played around with like an old tank that I had just practicing stitching, and I really liked how the zigzag looked, so I think that that would be nice. I was thinking of just doing a black thread for the black and blue one. My only thing that I'm nervous about is the cutting because I don't know if it's gonna pick up. I have the shakiest hands out of anybody I've ever met in my entire life. If you also have shaky hands, please let me know. I'm not anemic. Everything's fine. My levels are fine. I just like shake like always. So that's what I'm nervous about, is I just like can't cut things straight, but I have a rotary, so I think I'm just gonna use that. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking because this is like the longest clip of me talking and no one needs to hear this. And I'm just gonna start filming the process and hopefully it turns out cool. So let me pin these together and then we're gonna start sewing them. Also, I'm wearing the most cottagecore dress for a very cottagecore day. So, cottagecore only in this household. Okay, I'm not gonna move you because you're perfectly on a tripod right now, but this is what the back looks like so far. And so I'm going to, two things I am going to do different is the shirts are actually, weirdly, the blue one's longer. Maybe I tried the blue one like before I sewed it or before I tie-dyed it. I think I tried one of them on and maybe I stretched it, but I didn't. I don't know, is it gonna focus? Like right here, I probably should have started higher, but I'm going to pin, and also pinning them, I pinned it in the back, so it was kind of hard to take the pins out while I was sewing. So that was a little bit of a difficult stitch, but I'm going to now pin the front together and sew it up. I'm really excited. This is actually turning out better than I thought it was gonna be cute, but like I thought maybe it would be a little harder, but I'm doing it. All right, so we're done. I think it looks pretty freaking cool. I'm really glad I did the zigzag stitch in the front. It kind of got stuck. Also, coolest bottle ever. Very good if you're into sours. It's a sour ale with strawberry, raspberry, lemon, and lime from Prairie? I don't know. There's a cool beer place by my apartment that has like the best drinks. Okay, besides getting distracted, when I was sewing the front, I was going here and then it started bunching in the back. And then it got caught in the back and started threading that. So I had to stop and pull that out and then had to restart it. And so I like restarted it from the bottom, but you can't really tell. There are some like spaces that feel a little emptier than the others, but you can't like really see up close. I'm gonna try it on and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm so excited, it's really cool. This is a finished product. I think it looks really cool. I definitely would wear this, 10 out of 10. I don't know what color combos, oh God, you're gonna fall. I don't know what color combos to do next. I feel like maybe a red and black could be kind of fire. I don't know, but super excited. This is the first time I've ever really, I mean, I guess I made a mask and that was cool, but I did try to make a bucket hat and it turned out size for a child, or like an infant actually. But 10 out of 10, super easy. Hope you like this. This is my outro. Yeah, I don't have any other ideas for videos, so this probably is the last video you'll see of me for a while. So if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see, LMK, please, because your girl has no idea what to film. I wanted to do a vlog, but like I really do nothing during the day. So I don't think anyone would want that. Okay, rambling. Peace, let me know what you want to see. I'll go edit this now and you'll see it soon, I hope. Bye.